to give you some interesting facts about the paper industry, which you may be aware of. Being a part of the paper industry, it's our duty that the correct information should always be available with you to stop the myths about the paper industries. Let's understand this. Paper is an important part of the human life from an early age for the communication. Nowadays, we entered into the digitalization, but a student still learns his writing skills on the paper, studies books. Legal documents are assigned on the paper, and lots of paper is used for the packaging that goods we are purchasing from the market and via online. So, in short, we cannot imagine our life without paper. Paper is used everywhere. We all know paper is made from the wood, from the trees. Are the paper industry using trees from the forest? From where they do get these trees? Do you know? There is a strong myth that the forest has been cut down to make the paper. Is it true? Let's understand the right information. After knowing this, you will realize the myth and accept the truth that no forest is cut down to making the paper. So here we go with the video.
Like any other food crops, paper industry grows trees like eucalyptus trees in farms by farming activity. Farmers cut and sell these trees as a crop which is used by the paper industry for making paper, tissue paper and many more. Paper industries are using wood from trees. These wood chipped into the small pieces and cooked into the digesters like a cooker at home. Then brown colored pulp obtained, from which all brown colored paper get manufactured. To get the white paper, brown pulp is bleached with the chemicals and then used on the paper machine to make white paper. Once paper made on the machine, it's supplied to the market as per their size and color for further use, like textbook and notebooks which we used in schools.
And the process does not stop here. Paper that we use and throw into the dustbin that can be reused. Yes, it can be reused by the paper industries. This is called the paper recycling process. Paper industries are green industries. They are using renewable resources, is that trees, which can be grown again and again. Think twice, act twice. Please spread this video and this information to your near and dear ones so that each one of us must know the fact. Our environment is safe with the paper manufacturing. We support nature. We are with